Good morning, everyone. It's Mr. Allen here. It's our Golden Ticket Assembly, and it's Friday, the 1st of May. This is for Key Stage 2, Year 3, 4, 5, and 6. As well as the Golden Ticket this morning, we're also going to give lots and lots of shout outs to all those children who've been posting lots and lots of work on Class Dojo, getting in touch with their teachers. So lots of faces coming up today and lots of shout outs as well as the Golden Ticket. So we're going to kick off with Year 3. And in Miss White's class, we've got these superstars. We've got Rhea, Ivor, Lila Grace, Tyler, Claudia, Sophie, Botan, Blake, Oliver, Olivia, AJ, Abby, Amelia and Harry, all working so hard, guys. Please keep it up. Keep posting on Class Dojo. All the work that you're doing is fantastic. Please do keep up, keep in touch. Show us everything that you're doing at home. It's really lovely to see you guys working so hard. And I know Miss White's really chuffed. But the golden ticket for Miss White's class goes to Claudia, you absolute superstar. Well done, hun. Fantastic effort. You are posting so much on Class Dojo. Please do keep it up. Look out for that golden ticket. It's winging its way in the post to you very shortly. Hugely well deserved. Congratulations, Claudia, you little superstar. Keep up the amazing work. We go on to Mr. Ackerman's class. Look at these superstars. You've got Mia, you've got Bella, Jessica exercising there. You've got Reggie, Clover, Kieran, Racer and Oliver. These guys are just constantly posting on Class Dojo. Please do keep it up, guys. It's fantastic to see you guys working so hard. And whether you're cooking, learning to play an instrument, whatever that might be, please do keep it up. But Mr. Ackerman's golden ticket goes to Kobe, you absolute superstar. Well done, buddy. You are working so hard. It's really lovely to see. Please keep that up. You absolute little superstar. Golden ticket winging its way to you in the post. It will be there very shortly, so look out for it. Huge congratulations. Well done, buddy. Fantastic effort. Keep it going. In Year 4, we have, look at these stars. We've got Kieran, you've got Alicia, you've got Martin, you've got Sophia, you've got Freya, Ashton, Lily, Xavier, William, Connor, Adriel, Joe, Milana and Amelia B. Guys, you are working so hard. Please do keep it up. It's a fantastic effort to see how much is going on Class Dojo, how much you are doing, how much work you are doing. Please do keep it up. The golden ticket, though, goes to Freya, you absolute superstar. You are well deserving of this award. You have it's been non-stop the amount of work that you've been doing. Please keep it up. I'm so proud of you. Look out for that golden ticket. It is winging its way in the post to you very shortly. So please do look out for it. Keep it safe and hopefully we'll see you all soon as well. But just keep posting lots and lots of work on that Class Dojo. Well done, hun. Fantastic effort. And we've got, look at Mr. Pinner's class here. Over 100 dojo points already in Mr. Pinner's class. You've got Josh, you've got Nadia, you've got Colby, you've got Cornelius, Amelia and Bianca. Just a bit of work in there from Joshua as well. Superb, guys. Please. That is amazing getting all those dojo points, but actually also putting so much on Class Dojo. It's lovely to see all the activities you're doing and all the work you're doing. Please keep it up. Mr. Pinner's golden ticket goes to Bianca. You're producing such amazing work. It's so beautifully presented as well. Not only reading in English, but in Spanish as well. Well done, Bianca. Absolutely fantastic. Look out for that golden ticket. It's winging its way to the post very shortly. Huge congratulations, hun, and keep up the amazing work and keep posting on Class Dojo because it's lovely to see. Look out for that golden ticket in the post. In Year 5, look at Mrs. Healing superstars. Look at these guys. Nikita, you got Scarlett H, you got Kyle, you got Scarlett B, Jeffrey, Chloe, Cody and Frankie just working so hard. And I know Mrs. Healing is so proud of you guys. You are working so hard. Please do keep that up. It's wonderful to see how much is going on in Class Dojo. But Mrs. Healing's golden ticket goes to Nikita, you absolute superstar. Every single day I know Miss Healing saying you are doing something. It's amazing how much work you're doing and how hard you are working. Look out for that golden ticket. It's well deserved, hun. You superstar. Keep up the amazing work. Keep it going, all right? It's fantastic to see. Huge congratulations. Well done. In Miss Muscle White's class, look at these stars. You've got Ella, Mason, Tedas, Jamie, Emily, Ellie, Leon, Angel, Amelia and Blossom. You guys, I know Miss Musselwhite is so proud of you guys. You absolutely are the superstars. Working so hard every single day. Class Dojo just packed. I know she's keeping up with you guys and making sure she's commenting on all those things, whether you're reading, whether you're writing, out doing activities, whatever that might be. Huge congratulations to every single one of you superstars. Well done. But Miss Musselwhite's golden ticket goes to Leon. Leon, absolutely amazing there. Doing a bit of French, I think there was, with your dad there, doing some bits. But Miss Musselwhite, I know, said you are posting every single day, and so much work. Keep it up, buddy. Superb effort, and look out for that golden ticket winging its way. It's well deserved. Brilliant. I'm so proud of you, Leon. Keep it up, buddy. Well done. In year 6, Mr. Davison stars. Look at these guys. Olivia, you got Bethany, Courtney, Jacob there with an amazing bit of tech that he's built together. Nicole, Maisie Ray, Alfie and Matty. All of you working so hard. Mr. Davidson's so proud of all of you. It's brilliant, guys. So well done. Keep up. Keep posting. Keep in contact with Mr. Davidson. Keep that work going. It's really lovely to see how hard all of you are working. Mr. Davidson's golden ticket goes to Alyssa Roxby, look at you, hon. Mr. Davidson is so proud of you. You are working so hard. Keep that up, hon. Keep the writing up. Keep reading up. Keep your maths up. You are doing brilliantly, hon. So do keep working. I know you're doing something every single day. So well done, hon. Hugely well deserved. Look out for that golden ticket winging its way in the post to you very shortly. Miss Percy's stars. Look at these. Evelina, Declan, Stephen, Mia, Crystal, Maria, Poppy and Tobias. Just phenomenal work. It's so neat. There is so much going on from you guys. Miss Percy, I know, was blown away every single week by the amount that you guys are doing. Please do keep it up. It is fantastic. The golden ticket for Miss Percy's class goes to Rachel. You absolute superstar, Rachel. Well done, because you are posting so much. You are reading. You are doing some amazing activities. Look out for that golden ticket, you little superstar. You are absolutely fantastic. I know Miss Percy is really impressed with everything that you're doing and your attitude throughout as well. So please do keep it up. Well done, Rachel. I'm so proud of you. Look out for the golden ticket. It's heading to you in the post very shortly. Finally, it's just left for me to just say thank you to everyone for all of your amazing work. You know, parents as well. You're staying safe, you're staying in, keeping everyone well. So please do keep that up. And until the next assembly, please, guys, keep posting on Class Dojo. It's lovely to see all of that work, but please do stay safe and look after yourself. Bye-bye now.